Why can't I sit in this chair? It looks so empty. Peter, no. Please don't sit in that chair today. Peter, just listen to Mom. Please sit somewhere else. But it's just an empty chair. Why is this scary? That was Grandma's chair. We never touch it, Peter. Grandma's been gone a year. Can I sit there now? No one sits in that chair, Peter. We just don't.
Emily, let's just eat breakfast.
It's so late now. Everyone is sleeping in their rooms. I just want to know why this chair is always empty. There's a drawer here. I never noticed it before. Anna, come look. I found an old paper inside here. It's a recipe. Grandma's handwriting is right here. That's her oatmeal. She used to make it every morning. We should cook it, like Grandma used to do for us. Oh, Peter. Peter, are you sure? Mom might get upset about this. I just want to remember her. Is that wrong to do? No, it's not wrong. But we have to be careful, okay? Let's wake up early and cook it before they wake up. What if Mom cries? What if this makes things worse? What if she's happy? We don't know until we try it. Okay, 6 in the morning then. Don't tell anyone yet. I promise you, this will be our secret for tonight. Grandma used to say, breakfast brings the family close. Then we are doing the right thing. Let's start now. Should I cook Grandma's recipe? What do you think? Comment A if yes, or B if you think it's too soon. The oatmeal is ready. Mom and Dad are coming downstairs. What is that smell? It smells just like Mom's oatmeal.
Emily, are you okay? You look like you saw a ghost.
That's Mom's recipe. Who made this for us today? I found it in the drawer. I wanted to surprise you. I'm sorry. I didn't expect this today. Mom, are you mad at me? I just wanted to remember her. No, sweetheart. I just need some air right now, okay? Did I do something wrong? Mom looks so upset now. Maybe it's too soon. maybe we shouldn't have done this. Is it because Grandma is gone? Did I make it worse?
I'll go talk to her. You two should stay here, okay?
Anna, I think I ruined breakfast. I feel so bad. Don't say that. You did something kind for our family.
Emily, talk to me. What is really going on here?
I can't sit at that table. I can't look at her chair.
Is this about your mom? Shirt me.
It is not Peter. It is me.
Emily, what do you mean?
The day Mom died, I was late coming to the hospital. I was buying groceries. She died without me there.
Emily.
I've been punishing myself by keeping that chair empty. Like a reminder of what I didn't do.
Emily. Yeah.
She knew you loved her. I know. But I still can't forgive myself. I kept that chair empty so I would never forget it.
You don't have to punish yourself forever, Emily.
I know. But it's hard to forgive myself for that.
Let's go back inside. Our children are waiting for us.
Okay. I think I'm ready to sit at that table again. Peter. Anna. I'm sorry I walked out like that earlier. Mom. Are you okay? I didn't mean to upset you at all. You didn't. You gave me something I really needed today. This smells exactly like Grandma's oatmeal. Thank you.
Can we eat together? I made enough for everyone here. Let's all sit down. This oatmeal looks wonderful, Peter.
Grandma used to add cinnamon. Did you add cinnamon too? Root? Yes, Da. I followed the recipe exactly like she wrote it. I remember she used to hum while she cooked breakfast.
She used to call this her secret morning recipe.
What does miss mean? I hear that word a lot lately. It means feeling sad because someone you love is gone. Wait, What is this? There's an envelope in the drawer. What does it say? Read it out loud, Anna, please. It says, "Open when you're ready." That is Mom's handwriting.
I didn't know that was in there.
I don't know. I don't know if I'm ready. If we don't open it tonight, we may never read it.
Emily, we can wait. We don't have to do this now.
Grandma left it for us. Maybe she wanted us to stop being scared. I'm scared of what she wanted to say. I'll open it. Because I sat in the chair first, so I should read it first. I keep looking at the chair. I keep thinking of her. I miss her so much. I miss her every single day.
We all do, Emily. We all miss her in our own way.
What if we're not ready? What if we never feel ready? Grandma used to say, being scared doesn't mean stop. Okay. I think it's time. Someone has to open it now. I'll do it. I sat in her chair first. Let me read it. Are you sure, Peter? This might be really hard to hear. I'm sure. I want to be the one who reads it for us. It says, "To whoever is reading this, listen closely. Don't keep the chair empty because you miss me.
Fill it with someone who still needs to be loved. That's all I ever did with that old wooden chair."
She's gone. But that doesn't mean the chair has to be sad.
She wanted the chair to hold love, not only silence.
Can I sit there now? I think Grandma would want this. Yes, Peter. Please, sit there. It's where you belong. It fits. It actually fits me perfectly right now. Of course it fits. You filled it with love today. Peter, you taught all of us something today, you know?
Grandma used to say, "Love doesn't disappear, it moves."
Remember when Dad felt scared to talk about Grandma?
What? I'm not scared anymore. I'm glad we talked tonight.
We don't have to be empty just because she is gone. We can still visit her memory whenever we want to. Let's visit her favorite garden this weekend, okay? I'd like that. We could bring some oatmeal with us.
Grandma used to love that garden every single spring.
I still remember her laugh when we visited that garden. Wait, what's this? There's another envelope under the chair. Another one? Whose name is written on this envelope? It says Anna. Grandma left something for you too. Why is my name on this? What did Grandma write for me? We'll open it together next time, as one family. Have you ever kept something empty because you missed someone? Write one sentence with still or used to below. We will read the best answers in our next video together. Hello!
Thank you for watching The Miller Family tonight.
See you next time. Thank you for watching our story.